What's up guys, I'm back. Welcome to another unboxing. In this video, we are going to unbox Swabe fingerboards. Swabe fingerboards created out of your curiosity and fun of making deck way back in 2017. Just how hobby grows because of commitment and fun. Swabe Decks is carefully handcrafted here in the Philippines by Sir RJ Ramilo. Swabe Decks offers two modes. Mucho Chills is a medium cakes and mellow concave, and Mocho Loco is a high cakes with medium concave. Let's talk about shape. It has three shape options: popsicle, chitsicle, and beo. And this mold can be in 29, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36 millimeters by 96 millimeters. And Swabe offers custom orders including embossed graphics. Now, let's open the box. First, the stickers, KFC Swabe, the Usagi Tsukino, or also known as Sailor Moon, and this classic Swabe deck logo. Comes with one sheet of foam tape and the deck itself. The deck is 34 by 96 millimeter in Mocho Loco. This graphic is called Irie, and if you are a man of culture, you're definitely know her. Here's the close-up of the graphic. Top line, stock, say turquoise. Swabe stamp and the plies. Turquoise, black, natural ply, dark and natural. And this is the shape of what you like. It's a high kick. Concave, medium concave. My first impression of this deck is out of the packaging. To fill up the cakes and the concave is very nice. This is perfect. The plies looks great, the counter 6 and the top ply of the deck is perfect. It is live up to its premium quality. Let me set it up with solid doublet wheels in tan and a pair of green lacy tunic. This is the setup. I've been using the setup a day now and my review on how it's ride is simply perfect. The cost of the deck is $40 if you are outside of the Philippines, but here in the Philippines, you can only cost you 900 pesos or $16-17. While setting up this deck, I have some problems. The holes didn't align in the 4 holes of the generic trucks that I use. I contacted Swabe and said it is designed for dynamic trucks, BRTs, Eureka trucks, and any premium trucks. Just take note, if you are using Swabe decks, you need to upgrade your trucks and... What? Just take note, if you are using Swabe decks, you need to upgrade your trucks. And that is the only issue that I found, but overall, this is 9 out of 10. Go check Swabe decks on Facebook and Instagram. You can find the link in the description down below. And lastly, thank you Sir Archer Sobrano for this deck, tuning, and wheels. This wouldn't be possible because of you. Go check his social media, he has great content about the fingerboarding scene here in the Philippines. And I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and see you in the next video. Diyan